The Hyte Y70 Touch is a true game-changer in the world of PC cases, offering an unparalleled blend of cutting-edge design and practical functionality. Its standout feature is the 4K interactive touchscreen, a bold statement that sets it apart from the crowd. This touchscreen isn't just a pretty face. It serves as a second Windows display, providing quick access to system information, live backgrounds, and widgets. The included Hyte Nexus software ensures an intuitive setup, making the most of this gorgeous display. The interior of the Y70 Touch is just as impressive, with ample space for up to 10 case fans and 3 radiators. The dual-chamber design promotes excellent air circulation, aiding in keeping your components cool. The glass panels flanking the touchscreen offer a perfect showcase for your GPU, adding to the overall aesthetic appeal. However, the Y70 Touch's biggest drawback is its price tag. While the 4K touchscreen is an impressive feat of engineering, it does push the case into the luxury category, making it a harder sell for those on a budget. Despite this, the case itself is hard to fault. The Hyte Y70 Touch is a statement piece, a true head-turner that offers a host of quality-of-life features. If you're in the market for a premium PC case and your budget allows for it, the Y70 Touch is a strong contender, offering a unique blend of style and substance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.